Good morning, fifth grade. It is Tuesday, review week 4. We're going to be reviewing the area model with multiplication here and writing some equations and solving. So here they've already drawn the area model for me. I've got a 4-digit by 1-digit number. So I'm going to go ahead and write what this number would actually be if it was in standard form. So this would have been 8,869 times 7. So they took the 8,869 and they broke it apart by its place value. And then they took the 7 and put it over here on the side, and they divided their box into 4 parts since they had 4 place values that they were multiplying in their 4-digit number. So in order for me to do this area model multiplication problem, I'm going to multiply each one of my top numbers by my side number, which is a 7, to get a product in the middle. And then I'm going to add all 4 of my products to get my answer. So 8,000 times 7 would be 56,000. 800 times 7 would be 5,600. 60 times 7 would be 420. And 9 times 7 would be 63. So now that I have all my products here, my equation would just be me adding all 4 of those products together. So 56,000 plus 5,600 plus 420 plus 63. And when I added them all together, I'm going to have to come over here and add on my place value because Ms. Phillips does not add well going across like that. I need to add them vertically. So 56,000. Notice I'm adding all of my I'm lining all of my place values up. All my ones places add up, all my tens, all my hundreds, all my thousands, and all my 10,000s. Okay, now this makes it really easy for me to add each place value up. So my solution or my answer would be 62,083. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to complete letter B. Just like we just did letter A, you're going to find your product for each place value, make your equation by adding all those products together, and then write down your answer over here in the answer box.